Alright. Y'all remember. Okay, y'all remember me. I'm Langston. This is my niece Chloe. We made slime.
This is slime.
So we made it with laundry detergent liquid
and clear glue.
Yeah. You can use any kind of glue, it don't matter, but not super glue or crazy glue.
None of that glue. Just Elmer's glue.
But some people use borax. You can use anything, borax. You can use borax. Tide liquid.
This is the best slime ever.
Toothpaste. Rice.
Our first time making slime.
This is our first time making
You got too much slime. Look at my little slime.
I told you I want my son. Didn't I say that? Yeah.
No.
Okay, here it is. We made it with Tide liquid. I think we need to mix it up somewhere, but because it's not turning out really good. Or we need more glue, I think. But then we just put. Well, I hope we don't get in trouble because we use Tide without asking my mamas and dads and all that. So we hurried up and put the Tide back downstairs.
Yeah, because we didn't want to get in trouble. We did this without any permission.
Sure didn't. That's why I just told her. So we made our slime. So first, this the first clue I gotta tell y'all. You gotta make it glue. But then, I'm sorry I didn't put the video on there because
we had to rush.
We had to rush. We didn't want to get in trouble. So I think is there more glue in here?
Yeah, I used the rest.
Cause I think I need more glue.
I don't need nothing else. Definitely not no more Tide. I put so much Tide. Yeah, if you want yours to be colored, put Tide in there because Tide is blue and then our slimes.
You should use Tide
because it got color in it.
Yes.
Hashtag best slime ever.
Instead of using food coloring, like really, y'all gotta buy all that.
You don't gotta do all that stuff now.
But whoever seen this YouTube channel, please subscribe. I want 400,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel.
And I want you to smash that like button. Guys, thank you very much. The slime video.
Please don't act like we not no YouTuber. I swear to God, we'll find your location.
Y'all hear that?
That's smart.
Some water and stuff. Cause I like goo a lot. I'm not much as a girly person because most girlies people don't hate slimy stuff, so I'm not such a girly person. But I like leggings and cute girl stuff. All that.
We did make Arby's. We made Arby's, but I'm sorry, y'all. See, next time when I get something excited to do, I will.
Go get the Orby cake. I think my mom threw that in the garbage. Did she?
You don't gotta say that. You don't gotta tell me twice. Yeah, you know that. I don't know, Chloe. Probably she did. Probably she didn't. Oh, mine's turned to slime, I guess.
I love my slime.
So, you guys, here go the slime.
And time for a taste test.
And please just comment and to say, y'all forgive me because
Don't try slime. It's horrible.
you don't supposed to.
I just did.
Well, you don't supposed to.
It's horrible, guys. I know I'm
Okay,
black and
you guys,
acting dumb right now, but just showing you guys out.
in this video.
Yeah, in this video.
So, bye.